is Nicholas Weisblut. I'm from Vancouver, Canada. I'm a student here at the Open Thesis Program at IAAC. And at the beginning of the term, we were presented by a series of companies. And one of the companies that presented was Zero to Infinity, which is a near space tourism company based out here out of Barcelona. When he presented his business plan that he is developing to create a space capsule that will be lifted through by an air balloon up to about 36 kilometers into the air. And for the past 3 months, we have been collaborating to see how can we create a prototype of the basic geometry that he has designed for the space capsule. For the first couple of weeks, I just did some analysis on what is a torus, how can you construct a torus, because a torus is a double curvature. So we looked at different systems, whether we do a ribbed system or can we do a composite system, and we did that first sort of stage on the computer. And on the second stage, during the last 4 or 5 weeks, myself and a colleague, James Brazil, we took on in our hands to do a one-to-one mock-up prototype of the scale of one section of the torus. So what we did, we actually took rigid insulation foam and we surface milled it into a bunch of slices for this section of the space pod. And as well, we did a series of contours out of wood, which created a mold for the window. And this large window, which is about 3 meters by 2 meters wide, the outline, the periphery of this shape here, has been taken from IAAC and it's been taken to a workshop outside Barcelona where it will be put into an oven where we'll be melting several layers of acrylic on top of it to do some tests to see whether it would be fit into this place. So inside this space capsule section, the intention is that this whole section is for one passenger. And also this one section in the fifth part of the torus will house 2 pilots that will sit here, and then one in the back section here will be a very small bathroom. The intention for the passenger is that within this one space, he will have a seat back here along the inside edge. And then as well, he will have a lounge chair which will go along the bottom edge of the window frame.
Hi, my name is Jose Mariano Lopez and I'm founder of Zero to Infinity. And what we see here is a model of a section of our first craft to achieve this goal that's called Balloon. It's a capsule, a pod that hangs below a very large helium balloon that goes to the edge of the atmosphere. And from there you can see the curvature of the Earth, you can see the black sky, and the Earth shines blue, and you can see a small part of a continent. It's a very uplifting, both physically and emotionally, experience that will be around in 2013 as a commercial option.
Here at IAAC, during the Open Thesis Program, this 3 to 4 month program has allowed myself to do some very initial investigations for the torus capsule. The intention is to continue with the company at Zero to Infinity, hopefully for a very long term, into developing the capsule, the composites, as well as the user experience of what can be beyond looking through the window. Can we look at how they can experience through technology, through interaction screens, and those kind of forms of technology, and we hope that we maintain a nice long relationship for this project.